Alright guys, so in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook page. Peradventure you want to create a page for the sake of marketing, or probably a content creator. I need a page to start putting out content. I'll show you how to go about creating that. So just make sure you pay attention to the very end. So if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So for you to create a Facebook page, you need to go to your profile on Facebook. As you can see right now, I'm on my profile. So just go to the left side of your profile. So over here, you have to scroll down to where you have pages. So I'll click on see more. Then I scroll down to where they show pages. Can you see pages right here? So just click on pages. So over here, you can see that I have some pages in the past. Then I want to create a new page right now. So I'll go ahead and click on create new page. So over there, click on create new page. And I believe before now you must have chosen the name you want your page to bear, either your brand name or the name you want to be called online. So right here, I'll just put in the name right here. So for me, I'll be choosing Bido is Marketing. So I'm done filling that. I can see it is checked. It means that the page is available for usage. So next thing is for you to choose the category your business fall into. So I'll be putting in my category. So just type in anything, then to bring out options that are in that category for you. Digital creator. So I'll just go ahead and choose digital creator. And they say you should put a bio. You can see it is written optional. So you can go ahead and put a bio, or you can leave that. But I advise you to go ahead and put it so that when people come across your page, they'll know what you stand for. They'll know what you are. They'll know who you are, what you're offering, and what they get to benefit by following your page. So I'll just put in a short caption right here. I teach digital marketing. So I guess you can see that, right? Awesome. So once you're done filling your bio, this is just a test run for you to see how it works. I'm not really filling the main information I want on my page. I'll just click on create page. So later on, I'll go ahead and edit this page to my own satisfaction. So this is just me guiding you on how to create a page for yourself. So once you click on create page, then it will take you to the next page where you get to fill in more information about your page. So can you see Bido is Marketing was created, and they ask us to fill in our contact right here. So you can put in your website. If you have a website, just put in your website right here. Over here, put in your phone number. Click on this to change it to your country code. Then you now add your phone number over here. And right here, you can add your email. Do you understand? Add your email. Just any information you want to appear on your page. Add everything right here. Then go ahead and click on next. So right here, you have to add a profile picture. So just ensure you put a great profile picture that portrays your brand very well. So I'll just go ahead and put this just for an example, just for the sake of this moment. Later on, I'll go and change this. So let's put this particular one. So once I put that, then I go ahead and add a cover photo. Can you see it has appeared right here? So I'll just choose another random picture. So can you see that too has appeared right there? Next thing is for us to click on next so that we can see what we load up next, what information we are filling up again. So once I click on next, then so you can see right here they ask us to fill in our WhatsApp number. So if in case you want to connect your WhatsApp to your page, especially those that run Facebook ads, this is the point where you put that in. So just go ahead and input your WhatsApp number. So once you type in your WhatsApp number right here, they will send a code to your WhatsApp where you get to like verify that you own the number. Do you understand? Then I'll skip that for now. Then over here you can invite your friends in case you want your friends to connect with you on this page by clicking on invite friends right here. Then let's click on next. Then let's click on next. So that is all. Then you click on done, and basically you are done creating your first Facebook page, which you can use for your marketing, for your content creation, or anything you tend to use it for. So let's wait for this to load so you get to see how it looks like. Can you see? 0 likes, 0 followers. We are done creating a brand new Facebook page. So, and they even give you some recommendation you should do right here. Recommended next step to get your page ready to advertise. So you can just go ahead and do all these things. So it makes your page become very, very solid. So that is basically how you go about creating a Facebook page. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video. subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if this video was valuable to you. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.